Hi everyone. I get a lot of comments that they like all my recipes. Have you all tried my cake and the puddings and all that which I have done recently? Yes. If you have done, I love you all so much and I hope you are really enjoying all my recipes and so proud and happy. Thank you very much. And now I am going to show you prawn stir fry with mushroom and cauliflower. Prawn stir fry with mushroom and cauliflower. So we will try to do how we are going to do this. Is the biggest question of it. We'll see how we are going to do it now. First thing what I am going to do is white mushroom I have taken. It's not the black mushroom, white mushroom I have taken and I have just broken into small pieces. What we are going to do now is I'm going to add a little salt, pepper, chili powder, little bit, mix it nicely, about 1.5 teaspoon corn flour and 1.5 teaspoon of flour. Mix it nicely. Fry this. Deep fry this. Now I have got the cauliflower. The cauliflower which I am going to do is I have taken the flour here with a little bit of salt, pepper, again a little chili powder and a little turmeric. All that mixed together, add a little water and make it into a thick batter. Flour, pepper, salt, a bit of right. That is also ready now. These two are ready for me and now we will see how we are going to do this. I heated the oil and kept it. White mushroom I'll put first. The flour and we put all this together. Deep fry this. Black mushroom, shiitake black mushroom or whatever mushroom you like, but I prefer this white mushroom because it has a different taste and flavor in it. Right, now what we are going to do is we leave this aside. We don't need that anymore. This cauliflower. Dip it in the batter. It's only flour. I would like a little bit of turmeric. Cauliflower, now we are stir fry. See how it comes golden brown. That's a good taste and flavor. See what we have going to do now. I'll put all that together and finish it off. We will see how we are going to do this. Just adding the corn flour and the flour mixed with a little seasoning and do it. That's the first one. Cauliflower is also nice, but only thing is normally we just steam or boil or do anything. But here we are deep frying this cauliflower to make a nice stir fry. Become crispy. Then only it will be nice when we stir fry with the prawns and the rest of the ingredients. Now we have taken the mushroom, cauliflower, and we have deep fried and taken. Now what we are going to do is, we will see what we are going to do. In this oil itself, I can do the stir fry. See, okay, about 3 tablespoons of oil I have taken. This oil that is there, the balance, it's going waste now. Now what we will do is, we will keep it to cool and strain it and put it into another bottle. And tomorrow we have to finish this. Tomorrow we have to, whatever you are going to do, stir frying or anything, finish with that and finish it off. Don't keep for another day the oil. Only one more day that you can keep it. Strain, keep it and use for the next day for doing stir frying. Since that oil is going waste, I have taken that oil and now see what I am going to do with it. We'll add that onions, garlic, stir fry this. See, slowly I can use a little capsicum. Just one capsicum only I used. Red and green pepper cut into large pieces. Nicely stir fry. While you are stir frying, add a little salt. This is the baby corn that I have used. You can cut into small pieces. I have just put into large pieces because already we have the cauliflower and all the rest of it. Now I am going to use the prawns. Before I use the prawns, see what I am going to do for the prawns. I'll put a little salt, turmeric, pepper. Mix it nicely. Mix it, and lastly, when everything is done only, lastly you put the mix, stir fry the other vegetables and all that first. It should not get overcooked, becomes rubbery. Now I am going to use more pepper. All this time I didn't use too much of pepper, only for the prawns I used the pepper. Now I am using more pepper. A bit of chili powder. Chili pieces. I am going to use chili, dry chilies. The prawns are almost cooked. See, now what I am going to do is, I will use the oyster sauce. Goes very well with prawns. So prawns and vegetables and all that. So use that. Lastly, I will use the cauliflower and the mushroom. You should not use it too early also. Just before we take off heat, if you like, you can use a little coriander leaves. Coriander is better. You can use coriander leaves, you can use mint leaves, you can use both also together if you like. It's very nice, very tasty. I don't know, I like it. Now we will dish it out. This type of preparation this type of preparation. When will you serve it? Here my prawns are there. Prawns are very nicely. It has got cooked and it should not become rubbery also. So it should get nicely cooked. Now see what we have done here. It's so delicious, I would say. When I say delicious, it is really good. And of course you can serve with rice, pittu, rotis, anything that you want you can serve with. Go for plain rice. Don't go for biryani or fried rice. Plain rice is nice. Or with any other dishes which I gave you now. You can have it with anything and it's really nice and delicious. And if you don't want prawns, even without prawns also you can do. I put a little prawns so that it will be tasty. And I love you so much and I hope you will also enjoy preparing these type of dishes. Very soon I will come back with another recipe. Till then, bye from me now.